They eat mulberry leaves. This one they have 3 weeks old. They eat about 1 month. If they have 1 month old, they can make the cocoon.
So this is 1 month old. The worm changes color.
Yes. If they change the color, they make the cocoon like this. We move the worm, put in the frame, and then they spin fiber from the mouth around themselves.
This is the cocoon.
Yes. The worm stay inside. The lives in the cocoon about cocoon. Every cocoon in here, she used for make one thread. First she take the thread from the cocoon.
So she spins the thread.
And she keep the thread in row. You see the thread come from the cocoon. Like that. ไม่ก็ต่ำลงดิ
So the thread comes out of the cocoon ball after it's boiled. She pulls it out. So after she spins it and boils, this is what it looks like. This is the silk thread, 4,000 threads per meter wide, which is all done manually.